Hello, my name's Ed Priz, President of Advanced Insurance Management. We're your friendly neighborhood, independent premium auditors and consultants about things like workers' compensation, insurance audits, or even general liability audits. I wanted to talk today about a situation we're seeing more and more of out of the state of California. It's where small and medium-sized business owners are being criminally charged over what their insurance company is alleging were deliberate fraudulent statements or reporting that lowered their workers' compensation insurance premiums. And this is something that we're really only seeing out in California. I mean, I've served as an expert in other criminal cases involving charges over workers' comp premiums, but what we're seeing in the last few years is a lot of this over small and medium-sized employers. And what I'm seeing is that typically what's really occurred is that a small business owner has made an honest mistake in reporting either payroll data or classifications or some other technical information that the insurance company uses to compute their workers' comp insurance premiums. Because in California, there's a special tax on workers' compensation insurance policies that is used to fund prosecutors' offices that can then bring charges about workers' compensation fraud. And what they're doing is these taxes are part of all the workers' compensation insurance policies in California. The money flows through insurance companies who then distribute it to prosecutors. Therefore, the suggestions of insurance companies about who, in their view at least, has acted improperly and violated this law. So the insurance companies bring these cases to prosecutors, and I suspect the opinions and allegations of these insurance companies carry a lot of weight with prosecutors. But what I'm finding is that when you really examine things, it's simply a case of small business people making honest errors in reporting payroll or classification information. After all, small businesses, owners and managers, they don't really understand the technical ins and outs of workers' compensation insurance premium computation. So it's common for them to perhaps make honest mistakes. At least that's what I found when I examined these cases. I can think of one case recently where a small business owner had requested monthly billing, monthly reporting of payrolls from the insurance company. But it turned out that insurance company was not actually set up to offer monthly reporting for companies of that size. But they would offer a 6-month interim reporting form. But the employer, because he had requested monthly reporting, when he got this form for 6 months, he thought it was a form for monthly. He put in monthly payroll instead of 6-month payroll. And in fact, the information on that form stating that it's for 6 months was actually only printed in rather small print at the bottom of the form. I myself, when I looked at it the first time, I missed that warning that it was supposed to be for 6 months. I overlooked it because it was so small and so inconspicuously placed. So did this small business owner. And yet, this insurance company was successful in getting a prosecutor to bring criminal charges against the small business owner. Now, fortunately, I was able to work with an attorney out in California. And by pointing out all of these things, we were able to get this successfully resolved in a favorable manner for this small business owner. But this is a typical case I see of these prosecutions of small business owners out in California. So I wanted to offer a warning to other small and medium-sized business managers and owners to be extremely careful in any reporting of payroll or classification information or a description of your business operations, anything that is being sent to your insurance company, because if you do make a mistake, it may well be held against you. This is Ed Priz from Advanced Insurance Management, wishing everybody a good day and a happy weekend coming up. Take care.